Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be going on a tour of the King Street experience. Let's get into it. The King Street experience is located at 107 North King Street. It is right in the heart of downtown Leesburg. It opened in 2025. There is street parking available. There's also parking in the parking garage near the courthouse. It is a 2-story building. There is retail, there are workshops, there is custom work available. There's Fusion mineral paint. I'm just gonna go slowly over all these signs right here. If you have any questions, please go on the website or call the store. Here's all the workshop information. There's a lot of workshops. Some cards. Let's go inside.
Welcome to the King Street experience.
Hi, thank you. Over here in the corner is actually selfishly all my products. So these are the So Sustainable products that are available at the King Street experience. We've got the jar openers, tissue pouches, and reusable towels. There is artwork on the wall here available for purchase. The furniture is available for purchase. I'm going to try and slowly go over every item. If there's anything that you are interested in and would like to know more information or would like to purchase, just go ahead and check out the website or give the store a call and you can do your purchase over the phone and have your order waiting behind the counter for you. Let's go ahead and check out the Fusion room. Julia here is going to talk to us about the Fusion paint.
Hi, I'm Julia, and this is the Fusion mineral paint, and it's 100% acrylic. It can be used on glass, wood, or metal, and we have a variety of colors to pick from. We have the prep products here to prep your piece before you paint, and then also the waxes, the metallics, and the stain and finishing oils. This is the new line from Fusion Alchemy, and it is a line-based chalk paint. We also have the paint in the larger containers for savings. Over here we have the brushes that can be used as well as the cleaners.
Let me just do an overview of the paint real quick so we can see all of the colors. There are so many colors to choose from. All right. We've got lots of information about Fusion paint. What about the transfers?
So we have transfers as well as rice papers to pick from. These are some of the redesigned by Prima rice papers. This is an example of what can be done with rice paper. We also have the transfers redesigned by Prima line of transfers, as well as the rice papers. Here's some additional transfers. This is an example of what you can do with Fusion mineral paint. This is another one that was done with Fusion mineral paint and transfers, steampunk. These are painted with Fusion, upcycled, and these are transfers. We also have resin. This is a resin desk. This was a chair done with the Fusion distressed shabby chic look. Another example, another example of furniture that can be done with the Fusion products. This is rice paper. that was put on the doors and painted with Fusion. This is an example of the resin. This is an example of using Fusion paint on a 1800s piece of furniture, 18th century. The cowl is rice paper with Fusion mineral paint around the rice paper.
Awesome, thank you.
Let me take you to where we can also provide workshops.
Okay, what kind of workshops do you guys have?
So we have a array of workshops. We have the succulent workshops, and we also have calligraphy. We have resin, charcuterie boards, as well as trays, and Fusion Paint 101. We have a rice paper 101. They can all be found on our website. That's updated with dates, times of the workshops, and you can sign up for them there. Back here is where we hold the workshops. This is the room that we can do a workshop in, and then we have an additional room on this side to hold workshops, as well as some rooms upstairs.
Nice. What if I wanted to do a private party? Is that okay?
Absolutely.
How many people could I have in a private party?
We have had over 10 people in a resin workshop so far, and it has worked out extremely well.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. We're just going to tour the rest of the store now. Alrighty. Here is some jewelry. And then this is the rest of the resin. Try to back up. And there is also a t-shirt bar and trucker hat bar. This is available most days. If you want to call in to double check if it's available that day that you want to come in, go ahead and do that. Just give us a call. There are also shirts that are already done that are available. You could also just call over the phone and place an order. There are so many wonderful products here. If you want to know the price of anything, just give the store a call or put an inquiry in on the website. These mushroom items over here glow in the dark. Let's see if I can turn the light off. It'll work. You can see how they're glowing in the dark. Let's go in this back room over here. Handmade watercolors. Most of the items here are handmade. There's handmade items, custom items, upcycled items, just a real big variety. More resin. Baby bird claws, baby blankets, jewelry, crock charms. There's also a porch over here. So sometimes there are vendors or live music out there. Let's go ahead and check out the upstairs. We'll make our way slowly up. Check out all the artwork on the stairs as we make our way up. So pretty, all decorated for 4th of July. Now we're gonna head upstairs. It's a beautiful nightstand. Here is the first room. So those guys are a set. There are 2 of them. Towels, floral artwork. And like I said, the furniture is available for purchase too. Let's go on to the next room. Jewelry boxes. It's so pretty. I think it's like for candles. Alrighty, and let's go see the rest of the rooms upstairs. There is a Christmas room in progress up here, and a little coffee bar. So that is the King Street experience. Please do come and stop by. Like I said, 107 North King Street. I believe the hours are 10 to 4 every day except for Sunday. Sunday is noon to 4. If I'm wrong, I'll put that up on the screen. But yeah, definitely come check it out and support local business. Like I said, most of these items can be custom made. If there's something that you see that you like and you'd be interested in a different size, shape, or color, just give a call and it can probably happen. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.